Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Teaching and Learning Hub. Today I'm going to tell you about adjectives and adverbs, the types of adjectives and types of adverbs. Adjective. Adjective is a word which gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. If I say she is a beautiful girl, girl is a noun and what is describing a noun? A beautiful. So beautiful is adjective. If I say he is a handsome boy, boy is a noun and handsome is adjective. It describes noun in term of size, color, number and kind. Now the examples are the team has brilliant batsmen. Brilliant you can see here is adjective. I have 12 sweets in my pocket. 12 is a number and number is adjective. I love that red outfit. Red is a color that is adjective. My handwriting is more beautiful than his. More beautiful is adjective and we are comparing here handwriting with his handwriting. Types of adjectives. There are few types of adjectives. Let me discuss. Number one is number. For example, 4, 12, 9, any, 1, 7, 15. Opinion, good, bad, terrible, pretty, lovely, silly, wonderful. Size, huge, tiny, gigantic, small, long, short, wide. Age is young, old, elderly, ancient, 6 years old, antique, and teenage. Now, other types of adjectives are shape, color, origin, and material. For shape, oval, flat, round, square, triangle, rectangle, round. Color, blue, silver, red, turquoise, faded, shining, bright. Origin, Pakistani, American, Mexican, Chinese, Australian, Thai, Egyptian. Material, wooden, silk, metal, paper, gold, silver, cotton and plastic. So we have discussed 8 types of adjective and now we are moving forward towards adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which describes verb. It answers how the action has been done, where the action has been done, when the action has been done, and how many times the action has been done. Adverb of There are 4 types of adverb. Adverb of manner, time, place and frequency. For manner, it shows how the action has been done. The examples are cheerfully, efficiently, happily, slowly, quickly, carefully. Adverb of time, when the action is done. Soon, later, yet, now, tomorrow, yesterday, next year, already, and at 10 o'clock. Adverb of place, where the action is done, outside, inside, downstairs, everywhere, back, front, here, away. Now, adverb of frequency, how many times the action is repeated or done. Always, examples are always, sometimes, frequently, never, generally, rarely. Now, the activities which a teacher can conduct with his or her students, you can show a picture to students and they can describe this picture like it's a beautiful, peaceful place, huge mountains, boat is flowing, a boat is moving, the water is sparkling, the leaves are moving, red mushrooms, green grass, beautiful flowers on the tree. So they can describe this picture using adverb and adjective. We will move forward. Now another activity is teacher can show these cards to the students and they have to use these adverbs and sentences. Elegantly, happily, gently, hungrily, lazily, and loudly. They will use one by one in the sentences and they will be able to learn how they can use adverbs and how they can describe verbs. Another activity is for adjective. A teacher can show this picture to students and what they can do, they can describe a house. For example, using different adjectives like the house is large, gigantic, beautiful, airy, cold, new, royal, safe. It's clear, it's lovely, stylish, pleasant, great, costly, or cozy. Now she can show another picture of a girl and they have to describe a girl using adjective. She looks sad. She is innocent, brave, curious, sensitive, honest, lonely, friendly, kind, determined, and hopeful. So they have used lots of adjectives or they will use lots of adjectives and they will learn lots of adjectives by describing these two pictures. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more updates.